And he wears a hat. Some call it a turban, and some like to call it a bell end. But that's the proper way to describe it, is a turban. So he has a hat like that. And then he's got a neck as well also. This helps get
Gary, no! Hey, oojama, you flippin' bastard that you are. That's me you're drawing there. And don't you try and tell me that's no me. The fucking neck's a dead giveaway. You bastard Sassenach sack of crap that you are. Hey, listen. Oojama flipper. I'm flipping yoos the bird. Whoa. You wee bastard that you are. Oojama. Look. Yous might be able to charm wee little babies with your dulcet tones, you bastard. But this big baby is no impressed. This big baby is no impressed. That's my wee body. That's my walking body. Jesus Christ! Oojama! Look. I've seen Parkinson's sufferers bouncing up and down on a fucking trampoline with a vibrating dildo up their fucking jacks. You do better than that. For the love of God, man, it's all Gratex that's supposed to have the fucking heebie-jeebies. It's me that's supposed to have the wee fucking shakes. Look, you wee bastard. Old Gratex will show yous how to draw. Gratex will show yous an artiste at fucking work. Come on, mate. Follow me. Schnell. Vamos, raus.